How to find ESPN Fantasy League ID. Firstly, open ESPN Fantasy on your device. Make sure that you sign up or log in to your account. Once you open, you will land to the main page of the app. Now at the very top, you will see different kind of panels. Click on the category where you have created your team. If you haven't created a league or team in your app, then you can simply click on Create or Join League at the top to create it. Once that's done, then navigate where you have created it and click on My Team. Once you do that, you will land right here. From the very top, tap on the League tab. Inside League tab, you will see different kind of options like these. Here, select the option League Info. When you tap on League Info, you will see all the information related to your league. Now at the top, you will see the section called Basic Settings. Inside Basic Settings, the last option will be League ID. Now you cannot copy this ID, but you can simply write it in your note or take a screenshot. That's all for today. Thank you.